Myself, Dr. D.S. Bormane, Principal, AISSMS College of Engineering, which is run under All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society, established way back in 1970 by His Highness Excellency Srimanta Shahu Chhatrapati Maharaj of Kolhapur. I am very happy to share on this occasion that our college got the Best Professional College Award in urban area by Savitribai Phule Pune University. ASU college is accredited by NAAC A+ grade, which was the first college at that time to receive A+ grade under a new format. Of course, this is because of the strong support of the management, efforts of the faculty and staff members, students' participation, support from all stakeholders. Overall, many years all the departments has worked for the overall development of the students, holistic development of the students, and even in these pandemic situations, everyone has worked very hard to overcome the difficulties arised due to this epidemic, and we tried to give the most of the input to the students, and students are also responded equally. That is the beauty of the bonding between the student and teachers and the management.
Greetings from the Department of Chemical Engineering at AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune. I am Dr. P.N. Dange, currently heading the Department of Chemical Engineering. Department runs 3 programs, UG, PG and teachers programs in chemical engineering. UG program, that is BE in chemical engineering, is permanently affiliated to Savitribai Phule University of Pune. Same program was accredited by National Board of Accreditation in the year 2013. To tell about notable points of the department, one is qualified and experienced faculty. We do have 6 faculty who is doctorate, and few faculty they are having industrial as well as research experience from industry and R&D laboratories. The department is well equipped with laboratories. There are 3 kind of laboratories. First one is basic chemical engineering laboratories. There are 6 basic chemical engineering laboratories, 2 research laboratories. Third is dedicated laboratory for simulations and computational purposes. To talk about academics, department and college, it has robust academic practices, and this is achieved through industry participation. Industry caters their personnel for expert lectures. They sponsor industry projects. They allow us for industry visits, and even they give opportunities to internships in their establishments. So this department is actually a vibrant place for those who wants to excel in academics as well as in other extracurricular activities.
This is Dr. Kanhaiya Jethani, Professor in Chemical Engineering. I joined this college after retirement, after working for almost 30 years in industry, and I am glad that I joined this college. This is because my experience has been really enriching and satisfying. Our college provides a great environment for students to learn and improve their concepts and get practical exposure. We have experiments in the laboratory, and we have enhanced our laboratory in the last 6 years and added some software, simulation software, where the students can practice what they see in industry. Achievements of the college are reflected in the results which are achieved by the students in the university, and we have the gold medalists from our college in 2016-17, 2017-18 and 2018-19. And we had top 5 rankers and top 10 in the university in 16-17 and top 4 in 2017-18. This shows the great achievements and focus of our department. We also encourage students to take part in student chapter activities like AICG, IICG and IER, where they can participate in co-curricular and extracurricular activities, which will give them an overall development as a person.
Namaskar, I'm Manjusha Deshpande, Professor in Chemistry at the Chemical Engineering Department of AISSMS College of Engineering, which is one of the most happening department in the college. And let me assure you, the research culture, the professional approach, and all the students' activities are at par with the national and the international chemical sciences department. Let me share a journey of one alumni who was working on the research project of synthesis of new antituberculosis agents from the second year, and when she reached the final year, we presented the work at the 16th Tetrahedral Symposium at Berlin. So if you want to have a professional and satisfying career, this is the right place.
Myself Pranav Kakade, GS of Chemical Department. Chemical Department always look forward for our students to make fit and grow better. For this, our faculty work on students effectively. Each student have its own mentor. Practical conducted and study material taught are also effective. Apart from that, many students of all past batches until now has achieved rewards in technical, non-technical and even in the sports. We always promote our students to try out something new and we always help them to reach that height.
Hi, I'm Manali Kulkarni, President of AICHE Student Chapter AISSMS COE. The Department of Chemical Engineering has recently established the American Institute of Chemical Engineers Student Chapter. It is basically a common platform for chemical engineers from different parts of the world to come together, exchange thoughts, do research work and conduct global events. Under this chapter, students are the ones who entirely organize and manage different activities like debates, quizzes, making of chemical, webinars, any technical and non-technical events. This surely helps students to enhance their resume, personality, skills, and most importantly, helps them connect with chemical engineering peers from all across the globe. We currently have 76 members in the chapter, and I'm proud to say that all of them are standing up.
Hi, I'm Meenal More. I have done my BE Chemical Engineering from AISSMS College, passed out in 2011 batch. The moment you step in AISSMS, you feel a beautiful sense of energy. There are a lot of activities going on here in a year, like cultural activities, sports, then project competition, quiz, etc. All these activities really shape a student and give them life skills like teamwork, speaking in front of different people, cooperating with each other, sharing ideas, etc. And I really enjoyed doing these activities here very enthusiastically. Then as far as technical studies are concerned, chemical engineering department is very much dedicated and passionate towards their work. They are always there to help you with your doubts, and through practical sessions, through industrial visits, they give you that professional touch which you really require in this practical world when you enter in a job or profession. So yes, I am very grateful to all my teachers and each and every member in AISSMS. Thank you. I am grateful to be an alumni of AISSMS Chemical Engineering Department. Thank you.